Do you feel the vibes?
Yo, 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 what's up? It's your boy Fisher with Gibber 509. And I'm right here. Look at that. Look at that. There it is, boys. A platoon. And then I got my nephew, Peter Griffin. He's staying here for 3 weeks. Let's go. And Peter Griffin got his own GoPro. I'm gonna be on the boat just right there, and Peter Griffin right there for the trout. And I'm gonna go for the trout and the bass and the crappie. Let's go. All right, guys. I'm out here on the platoon. Let's see if we catch any bass or anything. I'm gonna go for a crappie though. See if we catch any bass. I got bass and the crappie, and my nephew's out there. Remember to turn on your GoPro when you have a fish. I'm going over here for the bass. Let's see if I can get any bass. I'm gonna trade this boat for a kayak. I think a kayak is more better. I miss my kayak. And then this platform that I have right here, that I'm stepping on, is for to stand up or to still have your legs comfortable instead of hitting the water, you know. So let's see if we catch any bass or crappie. All right, let's see. Oh no, I messed up my fish mouth. All right. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, they're facing up. There you go. Me and my nephew have been coming fishing, but we haven't been catching anything. Not even a single bite or anything. Oh, a little nibble. Do I got him? Oh. Trying it. Let's see. I'm trying to reverse it. I'm trying to go for like where there's a bunch of seaweed, like right there on that one right there, where the chair. And there's a bunch of trees over on that side. Ooh. Ooh, there's a fish right there. A fish just jumped right down the corner side. Let's see if I can catch him or what it is. Right there. I know there's some crappie in here. Oh. Come on, fishes. I'm trying not to go to people's docks because some people, they get so mad when you're on their docks. I never had that before, but I don't want to have it like them yelling at me. I'm gonna spin around 360. All right, let's go to the. Oh, I'm too new to this. On the platoon. I call it platoon, but it's pontoon. I'll get back at you when I catch a fish. Let's see. Fish on. Let's go. What is it? What's a bass? Let's go. Let's go. Got me one, you guys. Heck yeah. Hey. Oh, come on. I ain't got my pliers. I hate it because it gets stuck. Oh, there goes. See? There you go. Shee. Let's go. Got me one. I thought it got stuck. I got on my ultra light pull. I got it with this. To the next one. That's it, you guys. Man, we've been out there. Oh, I've been out there for 2 hours. My nephew right here been for 2 hours and no fish. And we're here at Lake Dolof and no fish. But I only got a bass over there. Then I caught a tiny fish right there, but it got off. Man, we need to find another spot. I'm probably thinking going to Lake Washington on Friday or Lake Taps. Try to for the bass on it. But anyways, thanks for watching. Keep on fishing, never stop. Till the next time. Man, my nephew's gonna be here for 2 weeks. We're gonna be out there fishing. Let's go.